please click on the subscribe button. My channel is not monetized, which means I don't get any income from YouTube, and I certainly do not get any sponsorship from anyone. Okay, so by clicking on the subscribe button, it tells me to continually improve and bring more great videos to all of you. Okay, so for now, just click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button if you want notification. If you don't want any notification, it's fine as well by just clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, so remember, it costs you nothing, but it certainly gives me a lot of encouragement. Okay, thank you. Wow, check out the sound of the exhaust. It's a startup of the Lotus 311, chassis number 1 of 311 in the world. Hi everyone, this is a great day out with 3ELEVEN. Beautiful day, nice and cooling day for us to go out for a drive today. And where we are heading to? We are heading to meet some of our friends, and do stay tuned and to the end of the video, because we will be doing a photo shoot of the cars at a location that we are going right now, some 30 kilometers away. And do stay tuned to the end of the video as well, because we will be showing you the reason why Lotus owners buy the Lotus 311. Yeah, this is the exciting thing about driving an open top. Look at the sky right now. It looks like it's going to rain, but if it rains, it will be more fun. So if it rains, I guess it will be more fun, yeah? This is truly a go-kart on the road. Alright, this is an exciting thing about driving open top. It's like the rain now. The excitement of driving open top. It has started to rain right now, as you can see. Okay, because the sky is dark. Okay, it's all wet now. Woohoo! Rare occasion whereby the two 311 owners are here. CK Lim, who owns the red 311, and Jeffrey Talib, who owns the yellow. So tell me about why two of you buy this car. You know, I want to hear the difference. Start from the master first.
I love the car without top. Okay, before that I have a S1, you will remove can.
Yes.
Then I have S2. Then I beli the 260 cup. Still can open top lah, but the SH 260 cup. Okay. That one is quite rare juga. And they have 7 kat Malaysia. That car, bila you buka open top, dia tak sejukkan engine tu, so dia might be a problem lah nanti. So tak best. So, and I rasa this is the best one.
Jeffrey is a film director, and in March of this year, he actually launched his latest movie entitled Kenderaan Berat Ikut Kiri, which is actually written on the side of his car. But because of the pandemic, that movie has been deferred until the end of this year. CK Lim. He is a body kit manufacturer, and he supplies different body kits to different car manufacturers. And obviously, he has got a keen interest in developing body kits for Lotus cars. And he distributes these body kits throughout the whole world under the name Win Ace Body Kits. Okay, let's listen in to the interview I had with CK Lim. So, CK, why do you buy the 311?
To me, that car represents the ultimate and the fastest Lotus. So it is the car to have.
Wow, fastest on the road right now.
Yes.
But the road legal car.
Road legal fastest Lotus. So it is the car to have.
Yeah, alright.
So I think every enthusiast will aspire to own this car. So when the chance came up that for me to buy this car, without a second thought, I just had to buy the car.
Wow. Okay. Now,
basically, I kept it as standard as possible, and then changed the color scheme to the current red and silver theme. Looks brighter lah.
How many Lotuses do you have in your garage right now? Because you told me that this Lotus 311 completes your collection.
Yeah, in a way, I already have on hand 8 Lotus.
And what are they?
We start with the Elise S1,
Okay.
Exige S2.
Okay.
I have 2 of those.
Right.
Europa.
Europa, you got 2 of those again.
Sold off one.
Oh, you sold off one, that's right.
That one is an SE. I'm keeping the SE.
Alright.
This one very rare. There are only 48 units in the world.
In the world, yes.
Evora IPS-S.
Yes, IPS-S. And then you have got Roadster.
The Exige V6 Roadster.
Mm-hmm.
One more, I'm building the It's based on the Exige. I'm building a 211.
Okay, you're building a Lotus 211,
Lotus 2.
and you are building a 340R, which is based on the S1.
Yes, the 340R based on the S1.
And then there's one Exige that you have converted.
We have used the twin charge concept to build a much higher power car. The reason doing that is because originally it's already supercharged,
Right.
And then there's a limit that you can tune with the supercharger.
Right.
So it's a good idea to add on the turbocharge to increase the power. So now currently we are managed to tune it up to about 500 horse.
That's right, 500 horsepower. Excellent car. Yeah.
Running on the street petrol.
Yeah. Hope to see it one day.
Yes,
Yeah.
very
So
nice.
tell me, I understand that at a very young age you already built a car kit for yourself based on the Lotus 7 by Colin Chapman, and you built a similar one, yeah?
Yeah, I feel the space frame, the Lotus 7 style type of sports car, similar in concept to the Lotus 7. It's a metal frame, space frame, then we're having a front engine, rear drive, minimalistic bodywork and open two-seater. And the car goes pretty well. I was quite surprised. It was actually built by my boys
Yeah.
from the ground up.
Right.
And when we completed and test drove the car, it ran surprisingly in very agile and straight line. Yeah, that will more or less complete the collection. Collection of cars.
Okay, all right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Yeah.
Hanya orang yang memiliki cinta je mak yang faham ni.
Dia tampak kan dia tenang.
Abang, banyak panas.
Oh my gosh, I'm speechless. What is this?
I do hope to see you in my next video, but meanwhile, please click on the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do share it out to all your contacts. So go ahead, click that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, but it means a lot to me. Okay? Hope to see you in the next one.